Okay, so a quick tip when printing hinges. You'd have to split the object in a slicer first, otherwise it prints it as one object and it will try to close gaps. As you can see here in the slicer. And if you do, instead of just printing it as one object, you hit the split objects. Then the slicer will not try to close the gaps anymore, and you will have two distinguished parts. Now, another thing that you might want to consider, depending on your printing tolerances, is now that the part is actually split into objects, you can scale just the XY, no need for the Z, so just scale it by 1%. Come on. There we go. 1.1. I mean 101, 101. There we go. And we'll do the same thing for this object. 101. Sure why it's already went to 102. 101. There we go. Now we'll have a little bit more gap even when we slice it. So I'll slice it again. And you can see we have even a bigger visible gap. So again, if we don't split the objects, then you can see on this one there is no separation between the hinge and the part. And over here there's a visible separation between the hinge and the gap and the part. Anyway, that is all. Thanks for watching.